we are exactly where we stopped yesterday, and this is where we're going to pick up today. The last thing that you should have done yesterday is to collect ideas all about you. You are the topic of writing for this assignment. So, all we're going to do today, which may be hard for some of you, but that's okay, is you got to pick your top 3 things about yourself that you might possibly want to write about. So when you pick those 3 things, you need to think, okay, well, I'm writing this with the purpose of someone other than just myself reading it. So what do I think other people might want to hear about? So if I look at my list, I'm thinking, some people might not just want to hear me write about chocolate, right? As much as I love it, I could eat it every day. It may not be a super interesting topic for others. The same thing about Mexican food. It's my favorite, chips and guacamole, chips and salsa. I'm a happy person. But how interesting is that going to be for somebody else to read? So I narrowed down to the 3 things that I'm really interested in, I really care about, but also that I think other people may be interested to hear about. So I chose travel, because I know some people do like to hear about other places. I chose nature, and I chose family. So I chose 3 things from yesterday, and I'm going to create this graphic organizer, and now I'm going to collect my thoughts about each one of those things. So all I did was jot down, here are the places that I've been, some of them, my favorites, and some of the things that I remember from those places. I went to nature. What do I love about nature? We are outside all the time in my family, and here are some of the things that I really love about nature. And then family. So I included here my husband, my kids, and a little bit about them. So today your task is going to be to choose 3 ideas from yesterday and elaborate on each one just a little bit.